Farming is a very important economic activity of our country since ancient time. People do farming as a main source of income. They grow different crops, fruits, and other source of income. Now, in this, they also grow various types of flowers and rear various animals and cattle. Now, this type of farming is practiced in various parts of our country and known by different names. So we will be discussing all these various types of farming. But now type of farming depends on various factors like relief factors, climatic factors, fertility of the soil, technical advancement of that area. So farming can be classified into two categories: primitive subsistence farming and commercial farming. Now, primitive subsistence farming is mainly done by old methods, and in this it is of two types: primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Now, let's discuss primitive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence farming means a farmer is doing the work by using all the old or traditional methods and tools like hoe, dhow, and digging stick. It mainly depends on the climatic conditions and natural fertility of the soil. The work is done by the family members and the society people. It is completely dependent on monsoon, fertility of the soil, and because of that only the production can be more or less. It is also called as slash and burn farming and the cattle rearing. Now let's see shifting cultivation, or also called as slash and burn farming, in which a forest land is cleared by cutting the trees and burning the remaining part of the vegetation. It is done in that area till the natural fertility of the land is maintained. It is known by different names in different parts of our country, like Jhuming in Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Nagaland. Now, it is also known by Pamlau in eastern states, Deepa in Chhattisgarh, then Bewar or Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Pamadabi or Koman or Bringa in Orissa. These are the various names of subsistence farming. Kumari in Western Ghats, Walray or Waltray in southeastern parts of Rajasthan, and Khil in the Himalayan region, Kurwa in Jharkhand. So these are the various local names of our subsistence farming. Now, the cattle rearing is mainly done in Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir area. In this, cattle or herd of cattle is taken from one place to another according to the suitable climatic condition. This shifting is mainly done on the fixed route of areas. Now, in this, they rear different type of animals like sheep, camel, yak, and goat, and use various types of products. Now let's see intensive subsistence farming. It is practiced in those areas where density of population is very high. In this, the production is trying to get maximum by using irrigation and fertilizers. Now, commercial farming. By the name only it's clear. In this, they try to get maximum production from the land. They use all the latest techniques like HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and even the latest technologies. Now, plantation farming. Plantation farming is also a type of commercial farming, but in this, a single crop is grown on a very large area. huge investment, latest technology is being done to get the maximum production. Various types of plantation crops in India are tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, and bananas. Now, commercial farming is mainly dependent on the transportation and technology or communication. So, commercial and plantation farming requires advanced transportation and communication facilities. Then only we can get maximum production. So, all these were various types of farming. I hope you all must have understood it.